Hey guys, this video is all about what we do with our gazebo and our deck during the winter months. So you can see that we kind of enclose it, and I'm just going to kind of show you what it looks like at night, and how we kind of enjoy it. And if you have any questions, look in the description below. You'll see how I build the deck. There will be a link that's on my YouTube channel. Same with how we built the gazebo. That's also on my YouTube channel, and all the links are going to be below. So take a look. So I guess the first thing that we're going to talk about is how we enclose the gazebo, and this is something that we're able to put up and take down seasonally. And this is a really solid piece of plastic that you can see we kind of put up, and we zip tie it all the way around. And this is not going to make this absolutely perfectly warm or anything, but this is going to knock off a lot of your wind, and as long as you heat this okay, you can hang out here for a bit. And I will make sure I will leave a link in the description. There's a website that we got this from. You can custom order your own plastic. As you can see below, we have chain that kind of weights it down, but in a high wind we found that it didn't really work too well, so we put some weights across it to kind of hold it down a little bit more. But you can see that it's kept out all the snow, keeps out all the rain and all that. Next thing, how do we heat this? Well, we've got a nice little propane heater here, and on the back side you can see it's a little deflector, and that kind of pushes that heat towards us as we're sitting down. Now we get into the furniture, right? So we have our own little gas fire pit here, and usually this is kind of open in the spring and the fall and everything, but during the winter we put this little top on it, and it's called a heat Warden. We'll make sure that we leave a link in the description where you can get this. And what this does is it kind of tries to push the heat down, and this gets warm also, so it just kind of holds the heat a little bit longer, a little bit closer, and has something to build that heat off of. And hey, if you like to have coffee out here, you can set your coffee on top of this, and it's going to keep it warm. Lastly, it's just our patio furniture. That's it, but it makes for such a nice extended living space, and I can't tell you how beautiful this is when you're sitting out here next to the fire, you have your lights on, or you turn everything off and just have a little bit of a flame, and you're watching it snow. And it was absolutely worth building this just to have that experience over the past few years.